finna roll. Catch that boy out with his friends and we making them long.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Daniel back with another video. So tonight we're gonna be going out. It's a Memorial weekend, but we're not gonna party or anything like that. Obviously, I don't party, at least not anymore. Feel me? So I'm gonna be linking up with a few of my friends with Supercars, and we're going to terrorize Miami. Not gonna be terrorizing Miami too much. We're just gonna be chilling, talk business, and see what's the plan for the rest of the week. Feel me? So as you can see, currently inside the crib, I'm gonna go downstairs. I mean, they're driving supercars and stuff, Lambos, so I'm gonna be driving my Lambo, because why not? Plus my other car is not even at this crib right now. So yeah, we're just gonna have a chill night out. Hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, turn post notifications on if y'all new, and yeah, stay tuned. Let's get it. Look at this McLaren 720 right here. It is so tough, bro. And it's crazy. I passed by right here just now and I saw 812. Right, so tonight is gonna be a nice night, bro. Nice. Let's see. Wait, what the fuck? This is lit, cop is over there because you don't want nobody to stop over there. You know what I'm saying? Because that's our chill spot. He's hating, bro. Sending that shit down to keep it 100 with you. The only thing I'm worried about is I need gas. He said he knows the spot, so we're gonna follow him, chat. So yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna set it back, you know. Clearance 720S. Next chat. Question mark. Woo. That shit tough. Please don't drown it. Please don't drown it. Don't drown that. Woo. Hopefully they take their time and drive right now because their wheel is super wet, you know. Yo, chat, you know what's crazy? A year ago, oh shit, we got 12 over there. Hopefully they don't fuck with us, whatever. But what I was gonna say is, a year ago, before I came to Miami, you know, I wasn't doing this, bro. I wasn't living this lifestyle. You feel me? But this lifestyle doesn't just come easy, bro. Like, I had to level up myself first in order to, you know, hang around with these people that's actually, you know, making a lot of bread. Leveling up their life, you know what I'm saying, doing really good. It's not just gonna happen overnight, bro. It's not just gonna happen just like that, you feel me? These people are actually doing shit. And if you want to hang around with people that's doing shit, bro, you gotta do shit for yourself. Because just imagine like I wasn't doing shit, I was just here, bro, chilling. Who would really want to hang out with me, bro? You get what I'm saying? Y'all gotta look at that for yourself. Who would really want to hang out with you if you're just at your crib, not doing shit? You know what I'm saying? Nobody want to hang out with you, bro. Feel me? So, y'all gotta just lock in, bro. Level up yourself to get around people that's already leveled up. That's all I can say, bro. So, let's see. Hopefully no cop. Hopefully no cop come over here and fuck with us. We could just chill for a little bit, make some videos.
This all tryna set me up, cause she thinking I'm stupid. The boy tryna ride our wave, yeah, we making the movement. You want smoke that bitch, I'm ready. I just bought a present.